Hello everyone. Artists can use a variety of techniques within their chosen medium to add emotional undertones to the work of art. Collage, from the French verb coller, meaning to glue, is the artistic process of gluing and assembling various materials to a flat surface. Collage can refer to both the actual procedure of cutting and pasting, as well as to the final artistic products. If you are interested in making collage, it's best to start gathering materials before you begin the collage process. You can use almost anything you like to create your collage. A few commonly used items are magazine pictures, photographs, or fancy paper. Adopting this method, we can make a collage on any subject of our choice. The process of this technique starts with the collection of colored printed papers from old magazines and newspapers. Tear them into small pieces and paste within the outline artistically. By this method, you can make a collage on any subject. Keeping in mind the light and shade on the drawn sheet step by step. Artful pasting makes the picture beautiful. Tear pieces of glazed paper and paste on picture to make a beautiful cape. Complete the picture of the undergiven cork outline. Select a subject of your choice. Draw the same on plain paper with pencil. Tear out picture from select newspapers and magazines. Paste the pictures keeping in mind the light and shade on the drawn sheet step by step. Look at the collage scenery. Observe the paper collage giving 3D effect. Tear and paste colored papers to make this clown. Make its eyes, nose and mouth with a sketch pen. Create a new paper collage using your own imagination. All beautiful drawings has been done with the art of paper collage. Observe how to cutting of the different magazines and newspapers have been used to make it a clear picture. If you wish to make the collage beautiful, make it a point to use quality color pages torn from the magazines and paste them according to the tonal effect of the overall picture. You can make attractive pictures by cutting papers and then pasting them. Try doing this using colored printed papers from magazines and newspapers and see the result. Now, try to make your own designs. Good luck. Have a nice day.